Hi everybody, Lori from BrushFalls Studios. How are you doing? I have an 18 by 24. It's a beautiful day to paint. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you my colors first. So my colors are for today: Amsterdam Yellow Lemon. It's hard to say it. Yellow Lemon. Artist Loft Violet. This is Master Touch in Iridescent Rich Gold. Something about this product on the Master's Touch with this particular gold, it really is beautiful when it dries. And then we have Artist Loft in the Permanent Magenta. And I'm using a soft pink. This is called Complexion Pink by Essentials. And this is another Artist Loft in Phthalo Blue. Now this is my base coat. It's Phthalo Blue and a lot of white. I'm just going to stretch this out. Make it. And sometimes I just take a brush and to help it along. So everything's covered. Now my last painting I did on my last show, I was asked, what's the bar that I keep referring to? Now when I stretch this size canvas, I hold on to the back stretcher bar and I just flip it to the left or the right or the front or the back, and that's how I move my painting around. Very easy. So this is my yellow I'm going to use first. And I like to bend my cups to get a point. Okay, then the magic begins. With this type of technique, I don't like to just swirl it up and down with the hair dryer. Guys, don't forget that when you drag a metal utensil of any kind, it doesn't allow your painting to drip to the sides and pull out your creation, what you just created. I don't know if you all knew that or not, but I'm just filling in the areas that seem thin to me, which is, fine. I wanted to pull some up here too. So more of the pinks and the yellows. Okay, I'm all set. I believe that I am finished with this painting. Some of the colors and lacings, and it's just so beautiful. I wanted strong contrast with the colors. This one's really pretty. And everybody will have a wonderful week. I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.